Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. Today we've got a quick video covering wireless QI charging. This is a unique feature for Huawei Watch 4 Pro, as not all smartwatches support wireless charging. So let's see how it works.
So with battery life, I have found the battery life to be absolutely excellent, really. I've really been extensively messing with the watch, testing, uploading. I'm mostly loading apps. There isn't much from Huawei stores to load, but obviously I have been side loading these apps, and I've had the screen on for ages and ages and ages, because I had to really make sure the screen didn't go to sleep when I was doing that, and just messing about with various features, and just usually also left the always on display one, because I just loved looking at the screen. And battery life easily it's done me 4 days on very heavy usage. I haven't really tried the 21 day or ultra long battery life option that this watch has, but to be honest, I am not going to be, I'm not one who's going to just switch off all the features and just to save battery. So everything was enabled. Whatever could be enabled was enabled in terms of features, so nothing was turned off to save battery. 4 days plus, easily 5 days. Like I say, even then I would have plenty of battery life left. And also, like I showed earlier, you could have the screen on, for example, 20 minutes. You can't do this 20 minutes. You can't even do 2 minutes on most other watches. So that's just, I'm like I'm talking to you here now. I'm just have had the screen on for ages. But the watch battery life really is really good. And I did say about charging. So to charge the watch for 15-minute charge, you can get a full day out of it. And I have actually tested this, and it gave me a proper full day, more than a full day, of 50 after just 15 minutes charge. A full charge is 60 minutes worth. Any charge is really quick. 15 minutes and 60 minutes for full charge is just unheard of. And very interestingly as well, I don't think any of the other watches do this, but I'm going to quickly take one of the straps off and test this wireless charging. Okay, there you go. It's got a little latch there. But anyway, the point is, does this watch charge on a wireless QI, QG, whatever they call it? Let's see. There you go. Look, it's charging. Let's put it down so you can avoid the reflection a bit. Yeah, look, the watch is charging, wireless charging. So if you obviously this is a bit difficult because of the metal strap, but if you had a normal leather strap or something, you just bang you onto your wireless charger anywhere, whether it's at work or anywhere else. If you may have one, you charge your watch, and it is just gonna charge. For example, let's try. I have on me the Galaxy Watch. Let's see if this one does. It's flashing, but it's not charging. I don't think it's charging. Let me try this. Nope. Don't know if you can see, but it's not charging. Ticwatch. I know Ticwatch won't, but let's try it. Nope. And Pixel Watch definitely won't work. The Huawei Watch. There you go. Charging. Amazing. See, another really great smartphone-like feature. There are many. All the watches have these sort of designs, but the charges are usually not compatible with one another. So it's not like, oh yeah, I've got an Apple one and I can charge it on this one. It doesn't really work. It's quite easy to put back on. Talking of which, I have an Apple Watch here. I could really test this and see if this one charges wirelessly. I doubt it, but maybe I can't because of this strap. I can't be bothered to take it off. Nope. This is the Watch Series 5. So you see, there is a lot of good stuff on this watch. There's a lot going for this watch. It's just an amazing looking watch. Let's move this out of the way for now. So battery life is great, the design is great, build quality outstanding, great crown, great haptic, excellent health related features, excellent health tracking, and accurate as well. Really good. I mean, I can say that with some confidence, because I've got quite a few other top watches that are supposed to be top in those areas, like Samsung Watch 5 Pro, other Samsung watches. I've got Ticwatch Pro 5 here, I've got Pixel, I've got the Apple Watch, so I can kind of speak about, you know, accuracy. I've got a vague idea. Also, you know, if you're happy to have a watch with great battery life that lets you make calls, lets you leave your phone home because it's got the eSIM feature, it's got great health features, so you're tracking your health, and you will leave your phone home and take the watch for a walk, and you can listen to your music and do your run or whatever. And it's got GPS, it's got this route tracking. Petrol map isn't great, but at least it's there. You know, if you have all of that, and if you're happy with all of this stuff, and in addition to the great design and look, you should be buying this watch. No regrets there if you do, because you can see what you're getting. But yeah, I think we have Ticwatch here. You know, if I want to compare in terms of quality, I mean, just look. I like the Ticwatch, but you know, it just looks like a toy compared to this one. Even the Galaxy Watch, great watch, solid watch. It just doesn't. Design isn't there. It just doesn't look very classy. Obviously, I'm looking out for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Classic 6 that's coming out soon. End of this month, it should be announced. That will have the rotating bezel. It'll have LTE, it'll have NFC, Google Play Store, everything. So I think, and hopefully the battery life. I know it's not going to be as good as this from all the stuff I've seen, but it could be the one that I'm waiting for. I'm obviously going to have it. Time will tell if that's going to be my next watch.
So that's all for today, guys. Comment down below and let us know if any of your smartwatches charges wirelessly. And also, I'll be publishing more videos on the Huawei Watch 4 Pro, including a detailed review. So do subscribe and turn your notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please do give it a like. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.